towards minutes for the correction right now, or not plan to impact after that. Because right now, it was a good treatment. Goes on. The effort in the teamwork in the one through the download students who are in town, but if you face coming, because I lost it just to go. Guys, అంటే నువ్వు చేయి నేనైనా పెట్టిననే ఇటు పెట్టామని చెప్పినా నేను చెప్పకు ఏం చెప్పాలంటే చేస్తాను మనకి పెట్టిన ఏం చేస్తున్నాను నీకు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను అదే దీనికి మొదలు పెట్టినా రూమ్ అని చెప్పము నువ్వు ఏదో పంపించి నేను ఆమె కూడా పెట్టిన నేను వచ్చి ఇచ్చేయండి దాంట్లో X1 అంటే X బేస్ X చాలా టైం పడుతుంది నాకు మిగతా మిగతా పుస్తకాలు చేసుకోవాలి కదా నేను రేపు సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ పడుతుంది వర్కింగ్ 60 స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ మిగతా అంతా మ్యాథమెటికల్ అనాలిసిస్ లీనియర్ ఆల్జీబ్రా సిక్స్టీ మిలియన్ చేయాలి సార్ ఇంకోటి క్లియర్ అది మొత్తం లేకపోతే కొత్తగా ఏంటి నీకు కాంట్రాక్ట్ సార్ క్రియేషన్ ఇది ఇంక్లూడ్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ విజయ్ కుమార్ రాసిన బాగా లేకపోయినా విజయ్ కుమార్ తీసేయడమే ఎవరో బాధపడుతుండే అందుకే మీరు ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అని పంపుతున్నాను ఎవరో బాధ సరే అవునా చూడండి సార్ చేంజెస్ కాదు సార్ 30% చేంజెస్ ఉన్నా ఆయనకి జరిగితే క్వశ్చనే లేదు మార్చండి మార్చిన పంపండి మీకు నేను పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఇది కూడా 4 యూనిట్స్ వెరిఫై చేస్తే పంపండి ఇంకోటి అవును సో మర్చిపోయినా రైట్ అట్లనే ప్రాపర్టీ పీరియడ్ పారామెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఫోటోస్ అడిగినా ఇది కూడా ఒకసారి చూడండి థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ అంతే సార్ సార్ ప్రాపర్టీ పీరియడ్ పెట్టి ఫోటోస్ పెట్టండి పారామెట్రిక్ పెట్టి మన కలియం థ్యాంక్ యూ
Yeah, good afternoon. Today we are discussing about measure of central tendency. This is the probability and statistics uh, in the skill course mathematics. So the character median and the characteristics average we can discuss here. So what is the definition here? Measure of central tendency is a typical value of the data here. But even though it's a general describing the central value, so the definition of the average means we are taking that the average you see here. So definition of average, an average is a single number describe the some features a set of data. Set of data means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The given the data, what the data is will take the numbers and the suppose serial numbers is given the raw data, we will take that numbers 1 to 10 and by division of 10 we are taking here an average a single number of the describing the some features. Average is an attempt find one single figure to describe of whole figure. Whole figures we are taking the one single figure we are taking that here we will write here. When the what is the characteristics of the average we will take here. So in the average part we are taking we can take as the measure of central tendency. It should be rigidly defined and average should be properly defined and should not be dependent on the personal prejudice and the basis of the investigator. So it should be the less items and the it should be the early understood also we can take here. So see here. So the average should not be uh, unduly affected by the extreme values. It should be the least affected by the fluctuation sampling, subject to the further mathematical calculation. So first we can find the arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic. We can find that this one here. So we can take here this one. So then arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, and harmonic mean we can take here. So see here. So this arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means we can take that it's a common use of the central tendency. So it's simply mean. Mean means average. We are taking the data. The mean of the given series. The mean of the given series taking here. The mean of the given series taking here simply called mean or average the data. The given sales by dividing the total. So that is the simple arithmetic average or weighted arithmetic average. Two averages we are two averages we are taking here. So we can discuss here for the two averages. So see here, simple arithmetic mean. In the simple arithmetic means we are writing here let x1, x2, x3, x4, xn. x1, x2, x3, so on, xn denotes an observation. An observation means we are taking the one or five observations, 10 observations, or 100 observations. It's unlimited n observations we are taking here. Then the arithmetic mean x bar of the observation is defined as x bar summation of 1 to n, x1 by n. Summation of 1 to n x is sum of the observation given value. Series number of observation. X bar is arithmetic mean. So this is the fundamental of the rule. We are taking the observation and arithmetic mean. We are writing here only. So then next we are taking here. So one example we will take here. So one example we are finding out slowly. Suppose find the arithmetic mean is 45, 25, 60, 30, 20. The five values is given here. So x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 they are taken here. So now I am multiply adding. So average means 40 plus 27 or 60, 70 is 130, 160, total 180. 180, how many numbers is there? 5. So 180 by 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 5, 5 6 are 5 3 5 threes are 15, 30, 5, 30 means around 60. So that is 68. We are taking the values of this one. Suppose the shortcut method of the method of deviation we are taking here. So shortcut method, the arithmetic mean it can also computed by shortcut method. This method assumes one value is arithmetic mean of the given the data. The arbitrary number is denoted by we are taking that a plus d bar. So we can take here a plus d bar. A is assumed mean, number of observation and arithmetic mean. Example we are taking here. Consider the data 45, 25, 60, 30. So first of all, 45, then 30. Then first we have to taking here. Then we are taking consider the data following the data. Data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First data 60, 45, 30, 60, 60, 45, 30, 25, 20. See here, this is a middle number, 30. So first one what I am taking 45 minus 30, 25 minus 30, 60 minus 30, 30 minus 30, and the values we are taking the D1 to D2. So highest value to lowest value I am taking that, the 30 is the middle value. So that is the value what we are taking here, we are written here. So summation of DI is equal, what is the first one? 45 minus 30, 15 minus 5. So the total is 30, 30 by 5, also 5 by 6, 30. So first is the middle value is 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. This is a shortcut method, but is a first method is only arithmetic. That is a very method for easy here. What is weighted arithmetic mean? What is weighted arithmetic mean? In arithmetic mean, if the weights W1 are assigned to the values X1, then the weighted arithmetic mean, the distribution is defined follows. Weighted arithmetic mean, the combined arithmetic mean is X bar is equal to N1 X1 bar plus N2 X2 bar. So N1 what is the value and X bar value and N2 value, X2 value, getting N1 plus N2. So see the one example here. See the one example here. So a man traveled by car for 3 days, 50 kilometers per each day. He first did 12 hours for 50 kilometers, the second day 10 hours for 60 kilometers, third day for 8 hours average speed. So given the kilometer hours, so total double 50 into 12 600, 60 into 10 600, 70 into 5 60, total 30 hours, 30 into this the Wi-Fi X W7. So it's total by 1760 by 30 hours, that is 58.7 per hour kilometer. They are run by 58.67 for the entire 3 days we are calculating here as per the average method. There are two branches. There are two branches of transport company employing 250 and 150 persons respectively. If the arithmetic means the monthly salaries by the two branches are 1500 and 1800 respectively. Find the arithmetic mean and the salaries the company as a whole. N1 is equal to 50, X bar is equal to 150, that is 1500. So that is the rupees here given here. This is 1500, this is 250, N2 is equal to 150, this is rupees 1800. So now I am taking What is 250 into 1500? 150 into 1800. So basic is 250 plus 150. I'm writing here the basis. Total is 33 lakh 75,000, 2 lakh 7,000 by total is 64. These two get cancelled 6450. That is 1612.50. We are getting the answers. So what we are taking here first, we can N1, N2 is 250 and 150. And the prices is 1500 and 1800. That is we are taking X1 bar and X2 bar we are taking here. What is arithmetic mean and a discrete series? In arithmetic mean discrete series, we are writing the mean of the data is given by the formula. Mean of the data is x bar is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to n, f of x is summation of I is equal to 1, f of I. F of I frequency of the ith term, value of the ith term we are taking here. So this is the values we are A. Fundamental formula is A plus summation of I is equal to 1 to n f of xi. Summation is I is equal to 1 to fi x bar is equal to arithmetic mean. A is equal to assumed mean. So FID is equal to sum of deviation, FI is equal to total frequency. We are writing here. So arithmetic mean, that is arithmetic mean is a discrete series, and the continuous series also. The continuous series also A plus summation of I is equal to 1 to n FI di by summation of I is equal to 1 di. X bar is equal to arithmetic mean, assumed mean. The frequency of class intervals, the deviation of the midpoints from the assumed mean we are taking here. Then what we are taking, then what we are taking here. So one step deviation method also here. The step deviation method, in the method choose that if summation of a x bar is equal to a plus summation of I is equal to 1 to n fi di by summation of I is equal to 1 to n fi into c. X bar is equal to arithmetic mean, assumed mean, the frequencies of class intervals, mid values of class intervals, common factor, and A is equal to x minus A by C we are taking here. So merits of the arithmetic mean. What is the merits of the arithmetic mean? Merits of the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is a simple measurement. It is a simple measurement. It is easily to understand, but it is easy to calculate. Also, we are taking here a rigidly defined based on the every value of the data. Arithmetic mean can be used for the analysis or algebraic or anything. We can do that in distributions also. Average provides good basis. What is the demerits of the arithmetic mean? What is the demerits? Arithmetic mean will be located in inspection by graphical method. It is unrealistic. The graphical method should not be. Graphical method is unrealistic, and also unduly affected extreme values here. It may be lead to the false conclusions. It give the greater importance to the bigger items to the data. Arithmetic means not useful for the qualities of the character and intelligence. So properties of mean, the sum of the deviations of the values in a distribution from the mean is 0, and the sum of squares deviation of the values distribution minimum by minimum. What we are taking the mean here, we are taking here. Suppose find the arithmetic mean from the data. See here, all of you, 12 into 6 I am taken, 14 into 12, 16 into 18, 18 into 20, 20 into 16, 22 into 10, 24 into 8. So 6 plus 2 plus 8 plus 20 plus 16 plus 10 plus 8, 10 plus this is 8, not 4. This is 8, the printing mistake is there. So total we have calculated them 12 into 6 plus 1 into 12, 16 into 8. The total value is, I calculate 12, 18, 28, 36, 36, 46, 56, 62. Remember, it is correct. It is 90 is correct. Year 8 will take. It was 1620 by 90 is equal to 18. The fundamental of arithmetic mean of the following data. Then the find the arithmetic mean of the following data. So in the find the arithmetic mean is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. The number of the students given 5, 10, 15, 10, 10, they're given the values here. Zero, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. 5, 10, 15, 15, 10, 10. So total values is 5, 10, 20, 35, 45, 50. This total is 50. This total is summation of 50. The mid values is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. 5, 5 is 25. 15, 5 is 150. 15 plus 375, 350. 450. Total is 1350. 1350 by total, that is the sum of frequencies 50. So 1350 by 50 is 27. This is when the median class is the number of students, we can take the midpoint and we can multiply with f into I xi. Then automatically the values will be came. Find the arithmetic mean by following a shortcut method or direct method, any method we are finding here. 10, 25, 20, 30, 15, 30, 40, 25, 40, 50, 35, 50, 60, 12, 60, 78. The solution we have to take here. In the shortcut method, let A is equal to 5. We can take that. This is the midpoint I'm taking. 30, 40 or 40, 50 will take the midpoint. I'm taking the midpoint is 45. You take that 35 also. We can take the 45 here. So here 10 midpoint is 15, 20 midpoint is 25, 30 midpoint is 35, 40 midpoint is 45, 50 midpoint is 55, 60 midpoint is 65. Now, number of workers we are giving here 5, 15, 25, 35, 12, 8. So total 15, 5, 20. See here, I am drawing the table here. 20, 25, 50, 50, 30, 85, 20, 20, 45, 50, 80. 80, 20, 100 here. So now I am doing a total midpoint is 45. 15 minus 45, 30. 25 minus 45, 20. 35 minus 45. 45 minus 45. So middle point here. So 55 minus 45, 65 minus 45. These values I am taking here. Midpoint value minus total value 45. Now I am multiplying. 5 into 30, 150. 300, 25 into 10, 250, 35 into 0, 0, 12 into 10, 120, 80 into 20, 160. Minus and plus total is 1 point, minus 420, what the values here. So summation of I is equal to 1 to FIDA, summation of 1 to FI 45 plus minus 420 by 100. What is 100? The total is 100. So the division is 40.8. Right.
समय बात नहीं करी थी सर शिवम मुझसे पेन मांग रहा था
Another direct method, we have to taking a step deviation method, we are taking a same values 10, 20, 20, 30, 30. But another example here. So another example by step deviation method 60, 62, 63, 65, 66, 68, 66, 68, 69, 71, 72, 74. Midpoint is 61, 64, 67, 60, 70, 73. So values 15, 54, 126, 80, 124 and written here. Total values is 5, 11, 15, 20, 2 to 4, 4 plus 12, 12, 14, 14, 15, 20, 21, 300, correct? Xi minus A. Xi minus A midpoint is, I'm taking 67 midpoint. These are two values and these are two values, 67. So taking the 67 is the mid value. 61 minus 67. I'm taking here 61 minus 67 minus 6, 61 minus 63, 67 minus 67, 0, 70 minus 67, 3. So the value is 6 plus 3, 6, minus 9 plus 9, the value is 0. So 1 by C of Xi minus A, 1 by C means interval 1 by C, what is the, you can take here Xi means a minus 6 by 3. So minus 3 by 3, 3 by 3 and 6 by 3. What is the third one we are taking as 67 midpoint here? So class interval is third one we are taking here and multiply 16. Fi di, Fi this is one, di this one, 15 to the 30, 54, 0, 81. So the total values we are finding out here. So therefore, arithmetical mean is 67 plus 45 by 300 into 3 is equal to 67.45. This is a direct method. We have to take this one here. Median. What is median? The average we are now finding here. The median is the given series in the middle term, the series. In the middle term, suppose 5 is there, we can take the third term. The fourth is there. I will tell you 4, 6, odd numbers in the even numbers is a different head. Arrange according to the order of the magnitudes. The different LR corner as follows. Median is the value of variable which divides the two into equal parts. One part is comprising values greater than, other values are less than median. When the number of observation n is odd, the data is arranged either ascending order or the descending order, n plus 1 by 2. The term, the middlemost item is taken as median. The wages of person working in transportation company are giving follows: rupees 5,000, 4,500, 3,500, 7,000, 6,500, 5,500, 6,800. Here the wages of persons working in transportation company follows here: 5,000, 4,500, 3,000, 7,000, 6,500, 5,000, 6,000. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is even number. So even number means n plus 1 by 2. N 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Odd number here, 7 as odd number. So 7 is odd base, n plus 1 by 2, that is 7 plus 1 by 2, 4. 4 means 5,500. The median is 5,500. We can take here. That is odd number. Then even number, wow. How we can search the even number? Whether the observations is even, the range ascending is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Both we are taking here, n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 is taken here. So median of the discrete series here. So median of the discrete series in this case, we can arrange the data ascending and descending order, find the cumulative frequencies n plus 1 by 2. So a mention of if I sum all the frequencies are odd, so n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, we get in the even number we are taking here. So with the wages of the 10 persons as given follows. Here we can take here 6,700, 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers have given here. So see here, 10 is even number. So we can take that 5 by 2. 10 is called 10 by 2 means 5 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,200 plus 5,800 we are taking here 2. So that is the value is 5,650. Even number is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Only odd number is n by 2. We are taking here. So median of the continuous series. In the median of the continuous series here, when the data is given in the form of frequency table, the median is calculated L plus n by 2 minus m by f plus L is means lower limit of the median class. The class which median lines n is called summation of I. Cumulative frequency, the frequency of the class median class. Frequency of the median class, length width of the median class we are taking here. Merits of median. So what is the merits of the median? We can take a median is easily understood. It can easily computed. It can be located graphically. It is the best measure for the qualitative data such as beauty, intelligence, and also median is not affect the extreme values determined the inspection of cases. Median cannot be computed when the distribution of the items of irregular. So therefore, the number items large median cannot be easily computed. So it is assembled algebraic treatment to compute the median data in either ascending order or descending order we are taking here. So find the median of the following data we can take here. One data we will take here. 16, 3, 27, 25, 16, 47, 50, 19, 71. So for the following data 16, 20, 25, 40, 50, 70 we can take here. 3, 7, 16, 7, 9, 1. So 10, 26, 33, 34, 43. 43. So the cumulative frequency means from the top to 3 to 1, we are calculating the cumulative frequency. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 is 10 plus 16, 26, plus 7, 20, 33, plus 9, 42, plus 1, 43. So the n is equal to 43, n plus 1 is equal to 44 by 2, that is the value is 22. This is the method of one, the median we are finding here. Compute the median of the following data is when the class interval is given here, we can take here 15, 51, 55, 56, 60, 61, 60. This is 65, 61, 64. That is a printing mistake here. This is 51 to 61 to 65 printing mistake here. 66, 70, 71, 66 to 70, 71 to 75. There is a printing mistake in the above example. So the midpoint is 50.5 to 55.25. The limits of the class lower and higher intervals we can retain, the frequency return. And the cumulative frequency 12 plus 25, 37, 37 plus 45, 82, 82 plus 30, 112, that is 120. So 120 by 2 is equal to 60. How much? That is 5, that's 5. That's why we are taking here the middle points. That is n by 2 is equal to 80. L is equal to 60.5, and is equal to 45. So that is 63.606 we are taking here. This is the first one, unit 1. Then what the measure of central tendency? What is the measure of central tendency? More geometric mean and harmonic mean you can be taking here. What value of the variate for which each frequency is maximum? It is the most common item of the given series data. It is also known as the modal value of the data. The mode of the distribution is the value of the point around which is the items tend to be most heavily concentrated. Mode can often found by inspection. The given distribution may or may not have a mode. In some chaos, there are maybe more than one mode. If the given series has one mode, then it's said to be unimodal. The two modes be bimodal, or three models said to be trimodal. If there are many models, then it could be as multimodal. So multimodal also we can take here. So mode of the ungrouped data, in this case, we can take here ungrouped data. The mode is determined by identifying the value which occurs the maximum number of times. So the title 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, how many times came here? We can search here. 1, 2 times came here, right? 2. 1, 2, 3 times came. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, correct. 4, 7, 4, how many 7 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, correct. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4 times. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 7. 1, 2 times 8. 1, 2, 3 times 9 only 1 time. So all the values are matched here. So 7 accused of above means 7 is the highest value here. So 7 is the highest value here. The mode is 4. The mode is 4. You have to take here. See here, in discrete series, we have to discuss here. In discrete series, that is direct method, the mode of grouped data we are taking here. To method of finding mode of discrete series by inspection may not give exact value of the mode. To find the mode of discrete series, we are preparing a group table and analyze the table. We will follow the steps below find mode. Prepare grouping table with 6 columns. Write size of the each item, the margin, and mark the maximum frequency. So the column 2, what is the values we are taking, the directly problem we are taking here. Calculate the mode of the following frequency distribution: 156, 155, 158. 18, all the values we can write in 168. So see here, I will explain here. 18 plus 6, 24. 20 plus 18 plus 24. So it is correct. Correct. So 58 means 16, 80, 24, 24, 44. 18 plus 6, 24. 24. 66 is 18. It is 38. See here it is 38. 38 and 48. 10, 20, 14. So, as per the table, we are finding the value here, analysis of the table. So 111, what is the table here? We are continuing this. 157. The value, total values came. That is the mode of. Then mode of the continuous series we are taking here. In the mode of the continuous series, so when all the classes intervals of the continuous series have equal length, mode is calculated by applying the formula L plus F2, F minus F1 to F minus F1 minus F2 into C. L plus F minus F1, L F minus F1, F minus 2C. We are taking that the one mean is called 1 by 3 mean minus mode. Our mode is called 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is called 3 mean minus median 1 by 3 mean plus mode. We are writing the merits of the mode also. So it is easy to understand. When we calculate the mode, in some cases, mode can also located by inspection. It can be calculated from open-end classes. It is not affected by extreme values. Mode can also determine by graphical method. Demerits of mode. Mode is not a rigidly defined measure. It is suitable for further algebraic treatment. It may not give weight to extreme values. Mode cannot easily be calculated. When the data contains both positive and negative items, So it's more zero. It is not easy to calculate whether or two model classes in the distribution. Solved examples here. Compute the following. 1665. The data is given here. The midpoint here, the frequency is 12, 25, 45, 30. 12 is the midpoint is 40. The midpoint is 45 here. This is F. The above one is F1. The below is F2. So we are writing here. From the above table 71 to 75. So above table we are taking the 70 is the midpoint. So 70.5 is the midpoint. 45 minus 25 by 2 into 45 minus 30 by 30 minus 25. We are taking that the output value is 70.36. The output value it should be writing here. The mode of the distribution by constructing a grouping table and using the formula. L1 plus L1 is lower limit of the model class. Upper limit of the model class, frequency of the model class is F, and F1 is frequency of the class preceding model class. F2 is succeeding of the model class. L2 is L2 minus L1 is called middle of the interval, width of the model class we can take here. So come to the mode of the given classes here. 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70. See here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70. 4, 6, 20. See here, 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 20, 30. So 7 plus 3, last 3 digits is 10. So 30, see here, this is 26. How 26 here I'm taking here? 26. The 4 will be not available here. This is the only two values I'm taking, 26. These two values I'm taking 17, 30. So 20 plus 1, 30. 7 plus 20 plus 10, 30. 27, 10 plus 10 plus 3, 30. So that is the two values I'm taking here. 36 total here. 20 plus 10 plus 6, 36. Only middle value is 37, 20, 36, 37. That's the equal values we are writing here. So all the values in the 30 to 40, all the values is there. 20 to 30, only 10 to 20 is values is very less. So fundamental value is 35 point. So we are substituting these values in the A by equation, that is L is equal 30, next is 40, frequency class 20, L 16 as it is written here. Here substituting 30 plus midpoint, 20 minus 6 by 2 into 20 minus 6 plus minus 10. So substituting while 35.83. That is one another way. Another one method we are to discuss today. The mean and the mode of the moderately asymmetrical distribution 35 and 36 respectively, find the mode of the distribution. So next one, the mean and mode of the moderately symmetrical distribution 35 and 36 respectively, find the mode of the distribution. So 35 and 36, 3 into 36 and 2 into 35. 2 into 3 into 36 and 3 into 35, that is 38, that's the value. Here also, moderately asymmetrically distribution values of mean and mode. Mean and mode. ఇక్కడ కూడా mean and mode అని రావాలి. ఇచ్చాడు mean and mode. So mean and mode is 2 into 35.4 and 32.1. We are taking 34.3. Define the term mode. The values of the mode, median skewed distribution, 66 points. The values has been written here. You have to check the geometric mean. What is the geometric mean? Geometric mean of individual series is if x1, x2, x3, and so on, xn denote n positive observations, then geometric mean of the observation is equal to n under root of x1, x2, and so on, xn. X greater than 0, I, 1, 2, so on, n, g x1, x2 whole power 1 by 8. Where g denotes the geometric mean is also denoted by gm. When in any large number of algorithms, when we can take here mean is equal to anti-logarithm of log x1 plus log x2 and so on plus log xn by n. Anti-log summation of I is equal to 1 log xi by n. So geometric mean of geometric series here also we can write here. If x1, x2, xn demote the observations f1, f2, f3 and so on fn respectively. The geometric means g is equal to anti-log f1 log x1 plus f2 log x2 plus 3 log x3 and so on fn log xn by n is equal to anti-log summation of I is equal to 1 fi log xi by n. We are writing here. Geometric mean and the continuous series fx1, x2, xn denote the midpoints of the class intervals f1, f2, fn, but denote the corresponding frequencies of the class intervals. Then the geometric mean of the continuous series is given by antilog f1 log x1, f2 log x2, and fn log xn by n. Is antilog f of summation of 1 to n fi log xi by n is equal to n summation of I. We'll take here. Then the weighted of the geometric mean we are taking here. The weighted geometric mean of the data we are taking here. It is a computed mean applying formula f of anti-log the W1 log x1 plus W2 log x2 plus W in log x1 by W1 plus W2 plus so on plus Wn. We can write it as anti-log of the summation of 1 to n Wi log xi, summation of Wi. So W1, W2, Wn denoted by the base. The geometric mean is rigidly defined. It is based on the observation capable further algebraic treatment. It is less affected by extreme values. Merits of geometric mean, it is rigidly defined. It is much effectively extreme values. Sampling stability is algebraic treatment based on all the given observations. Demerits of geometric mean. It is difficult to understand and compute geometric mean. The data contains both positive and negative values. Geometric mean is greater importance to the lower values and the less importance of the higher values. If any value of the given observation is 0, geometric mean is 0, so the observations is negative, the complex number we are taking here. One problem we are taking here. Just a minute. So 0.009, 0.005, 0.08, 0.575, 5.75, 5.75, 4, 475, 2574. These values we are treating as in the log calculator as log x. Then the values we are finding out in the total log x is 2.1208. So 2.1208 by total number is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is anti-log 1.841. The declaration of a building for the first 5 year fixed 5%, the second year it is 10%, the third year is 15%, so the fourth year is 20%. So the depreciation 5, 10, 15, 20, 20% we are writing here. So that the 5 years we are writing here. So value of the depreciation that did 95, 90, 85. So the value will be decreasing here. 5% means 85, 10 means 90, 20, 20 means 80, 80. So log 95, 1.9, log 90, 1.95, log 85, log 80, log 80 is what the values we are writing here. So anti-log 9.9, so total 5 items by 9.667 by 5. So that is 1.99, 1.9225, that is 85.8. So that is 100 minus 85 point is 14.20. The values are taking here. So another formula we can take here. Find the geometric mean of the following data. 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 5, 10, 15, 17, 4. So I am calculating mid-intervals 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So log xi. So log 15, log 25, log 35, log 45, log 55 values, total value 61.550. So sum of fi xi is equal to what is the basic fundamental, that is total fi is equal to, see here, the total is 41, this is 61, 61 by 45, that is 1.50. Antilog we can calculate the 31.72, we can calculate in the problem. So that is our values may be came as per the problem, as per the one. So you do the exercises. Then harmonic mean we can discuss in the next class. Any doubts, ask me. So harmonic mean we can discuss in the next class.